Oh god, I'm actually doing this. Hello, I'm Kiva, and today we're reacting to 5-minute crafts. Let's just get into it. Okay, so they're putting their feet in sand. Who has Gypsum? Who has Gypsum? Who even has that? Okay, leave a comment right now. Who has Gypsum in their house right now? Who's even heard of Gypsum? Okay, let me know in the comments. Accidentally got a sunburn? Okay, what are they doing? I'm curious as to what they're doing now. Okay, so they've doodled on, is it a legging? What? Now you won't get sunburn. Right. Okay, Google, can you get sunburn when wearing leggings?
On the website solbari.co.uk, they say, so yes, you can get sunburn through fabric.
Well, there you have it. What is that? Right, so they're putting glue in it so we know it's not edible. What is that anyway? Is it bark? Okay, hang on. This is not a 5-minute craft. At least a day's work. Right, plastic box. I've got a photo. Wait, how is that standing up? Let me just double check. Right, these are round at the bottom, right? Look, they're round at the bottom. Guys, this just in. 5-minute crafts does not need to follow the laws of physics. Oh, they're out of roll-on. This is relatable. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate the fact they took this off with no hassle? It would be easier to pull the Excalibur from the stone that it resides in than it is to take out one of these bowls. You put that on your armpit. It's literally just been using an armpit. They're like, oh no, that's so bad. Take it off, put this stuff, and then it's like, okay, now I could use it on my face. Unpaired sock. That's gonna leak through the sock. You're gonna have wet hands. Is that colored pasta? I've never seen this before. Huh. Tape. Bottle. Spray painting it. Why didn't you just get a sock? Just smear it with a sock. Imagine 5-minute crafts not taking their own advice. Okay, they got a bottle of water. And what is that? But what is it? But... You could not pay me to drink out of that. I would be slicing my lip open on that. There's no. Cap, okay. They're sticking the caps together, okay. Making an hexagon. Now, if you don't think I'm going to count this, you would be mistaken. Right, so we got 1, 2, 3. Assuming I haven't miscounted, 317 bottle caps were used to make this. Spring-born natural mineral water still plastic bottle, 500 milliliters, 24 pack. Okay, that's at £8. A 24 pack at £8, it would take you 105 pounds. Or approximately 13 packs. Whoever is willing to spend 100 quid just to build this could probably just go out and buy one for like 20 quid if they looked hard enough. You have one tomato left. Oh no, it's just a box, okay. Putting ribbon through it. That's reasonably smart. Credit where credit's due, that one was reasonably smart. So, you guys ever heard of this thing called a Hoover? Okay, so they've got a green bottle, putting holes in the bottom, putting on the side of their sink, and... Hey guys, you ever heard of this amazing invention called a sieve? Okay, they've got a bottle cap, and a...
According to Wikipedia, a bald cap is...
I'm sorry, what now? Guys, Google's listening in on my conversation. Well, that was torture. Please subscribe so I know that my sanity wasn't wasted for nothing.